Hi, this is Yasir from WP How Now, and in today's video I will show you how to change the primary domain on your GoDaddy account. I will walk you through the whole process of changing the primary domain and will discuss some points that are important while changing the domain. So let's begin. First of all, you need to log in into your GoDaddy account. As I have already logged in into my account, so I will go to my account section. After you log in into your GoDaddy account, you will see the products that are associated with your GoDaddy account. I have two domains in my account and both are registered with GoDaddy Registrar. This domain Yasir Workfolio is currently being used as my primary domain, and this domain WP How Now, which I want to use as the primary domain, is a parked domain, which means that it is not associated with any website and nor it is being used as an add-on domain or as an alias domain. And this is the most important point, that the domain you want to use as primary domain should not be used as an add-on domain or as an alias domain, or else you will get the error from the GoDaddy servers while changing the primary domain. But here arises a question that what will happen if the domain you want to use as primary domain is already being used as an add-on domain and it is associated with a website. The answer is simple: you will no longer have access to that website.
Oh no!
But don't worry, in one of my upcoming videos I will show how to properly set add-on domains as primary domains along the website and its data. I will give its link in the description once it's online. But for now, let's stick to our video's agenda. First, let's see what is the content on our primary domain. So this is what we see on our current primary domain, which is Yasir Workfolio, and on the park domain, which is wphownow.com, we will see nothing because it is not associated with any website. So what will happen after changing the primary domain to WP How Now? We will see this content on WP How Now. But what will happen to Yasir Workfolio? Yasir Workfolio will become the park domain. Now let's change the primary domain, and for that we have to go to our GoDaddy web hosting account, and under the web hosting section click on manage button, and it will take you to the new window. Here under account section you can see your current primary domain, and to change it click on change, and a pop-up will open and you can select the domain you want to use as primary domain and click on change domain. After the changes have been made, it will show you a success message, and after a refresh you can see that our primary domain has been changed. Now let's see what is on our primary domain, that is wphownow.com. You can see that the content from old primary domain has been shifted to the new primary domain automatically, and the old primary domain will now become park domain, and you can use it as an add-on domain or as an alias domain and can associate it with other website. I hope this video helped you guys. Please share and like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. And yes, please subscribe to the channel. It will motivate us and we will continue to make more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.